Okay, good afternoon. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to convert decimal to binary. So let's begin. Let's begin by converting the basic decimal, which is base to 10, and the binary, which is base to 2. So it really helps if we get familiar with the power of 2, which is the way or the method on how to get the value for the binary from the decimal point. Okay, so 2 to the power of 0, we have 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, 2 to the power of 7, and so on and so forth. So by this time, we only have to get the 8 bit, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So during this video, I will just be focusing or limiting the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 7. So when we get the value for this in binary, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 4, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and 2 to the power of 3 is 8, we have 16, we have 32, we have 64, and we have 128. Now, in order for us to get the binary value from the decimal value, we only need to have two states. In my previous video, I already discussed to you that there are only two possible numbers, or there are only two possible states for binary, which is the 0 to 1. Okay, so to proceed, we have the value of 0 from the decimal point, from the decimal value. So in binary, we have 0, and then if we have 1 value for the decimal, automatically the value will also be 1. So how about if we have 2? So by using or by getting to be familiarized with the power of 2, we can actually get the value for this to the binary. We can easily convert it to binary. So since we only need to get the value for 2, all we need to do is 2, 0, and 1. So the total for this is actually 2, because 2 to the power of 1 is 2 and 2 to the power of 0 is 1, and then we only need to get the value of decimal, which is 2. So the answer for the binary will be 1 or 0. How about 3? So when we have the value of 3 in decimal value, convert it to binary, we can actually do this. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, so we can actually get the value for this in decimal, which is 3, which is correct. So the value for the decimal value of 3 converted to binary will be 1 and 1. And again, there's only two possible states for binary, base 2, which is 1 and 0, or 0 to 1. Now, how about number 4? Number 4 will be, since this is we only need to get the 4, what we need to do is, this is 1, this is 0, and this is 0, so we get the value of 4. So we need to get 1, 0, 0. The value for that is 4. Now, how about 5? By getting the value of 5 in the binary, in how to convert binary, we only need to 5, 4, 0, and 1. So the value for that is 5. So we have 1, 0, 1. Now how about 6? Since 6 is actually a 3 digit, or a 3 bit for the binary, what we need to do is, we need to get the 4, 2, 0. So the value for this is 6. So it's 1, 1, 0. By the way, when we talk about binary, we will each digit will be corresponds to bit, whereas in decimal it corresponds to digit. So how about 7? So when the value of the decimal, with the 7 is the decimal value, it's easy because we just need to 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is actually had a total of 7. So 1, 1, 1.